Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about iOS 18.1 RC update, and I will be talking about the release date and when it is going to release. But before that, I want to talk about the 18.1 public beta 2 slash developer beta 5. So when the version came out, I have made so many videos in which I talk about that I'm not happy with the performance and the battery life. I'm quite disappointed, but I also says whenever a new iOS update comes, it takes couple of days to get stable, and that what happened with the 18.1 beta 5 too. Now after so many days, the update has become quite stable. Performance is good and the battery life is also good. So talking about the performance, very firstly, going into the Geekbench score, CPU history, this was the previous score, this is the new score. 2321 on a single core, while 5667 on a multi-core. Way better than the average one, way better than the average one over here. In fact, this is the highest ever multi-core Geekbench score I get on the 18.1 beta 5 slash public beta 2, which was again surprising to me, but I'm happy that it has improved a lot. Now, since it has improved a lot, I also do believe that there will not be going to another beta. I think there is going to be another RC update instead of beta. Now, coming back to battery life over here, if I go to the settings, go to the battery, go to the let the stats load over here, go to last 10 days over here. On this day, as you can see, I used my phone for around 75% according to this graph, and the screen on time is almost 5 hours because I was quite active on these different applications. As you can see over here, I used 100% of my device again, and over here it is 7 hours 10 minutes. I was also playing one of the heaviest game, then listening to music, bit of a browsing, social media applications, and more. Over here, this day I used again almost 75% of my device and 5 hours of screen on time. Over here, I used again 100% of my screen on time and almost 8 hours and 30 minutes screen on time. Over here, I used my phone a lot. I used around 115% or maybe 120%. I charged it obviously, and 8 hours of screen on time. Now if I conclude the screen on time from these, the screen on time has improved a lot. It has become quite better in the 18.1 public beta 2 slash developer beta 5. So yes, I am finally happy that screen on time has improved a lot, and it is also getting better. Now I think there will be no beta 6 or public beta 3. I'm not sure about that, but this is what I believe. I think there is going to be RC update because we are already getting closer to the official release of 18.1. So going into the calendar, I believe Apple might release 18.1 RC update on 7th of October, and then on 21st October they will release the official 18.1 for every other iPhone. That is what I believe. Still not sure about that. But if there is no RC tomorrow, but then there will be beta 6 and then slash public beta 3. But then we will see RC over here and the final update over here. But I think RC will come over here and the final update will come over here. Yeah, we will see, but this is what I am expecting, and let's see how Apple brings it. But I think if there is another beta, it would be a better, although this beta has improved a lot since it is out, but still if there will be another beta, it could be better. But I think there will be no other beta. We are already close to the release date, so I think there is going to be RC tomorrow, and then 21st there will be final update. Let's see, hope for the best, fingers crossed. Now coming back to what we can expect in RC, well, there are a lot of changes that are coming to the RC update. Starting with the very first one is call recording. Well, call recording is coming to your iPhone. It is available every other iPhone, I suppose iOS 18 and 18.1 obviously. So it is available. I did multiple videos of call recording demo that are available on my channel. You can go and check out that how it works. But if I show you call recording demo again, let me call my other device. FaceTime audio. Let's see if it works. That is the call recording button on top. Let me accept the call from here. And okay, this is the call recording button. Tap on this call. This call will be recorded. Audio prompt, this call will be recorded and the call recording will begin. And this is how something it looks like. And take notes on this call. While you can take notes on this call, also the call recording will saved in notes application. So here are the other call recordings that I did for the videos. As you can see, my camera is not focusing today. I'm not sure why. Also, there are going to be new Apple Intelligence features, new Siri that are only available for the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, then to the latest iPhones. Not coming to any other iPhone because of the lower RAM and maybe poor performance. But there are a lot of Apple Intelligence features. I will talk about Apple Intelligence features once the RC update will come out. Other than that, there are a lot of changes in the that are coming with the 18.1. For example, into the control center, now separate toggles are available for connectivity. If I go add a control over here, go over here, as you can see, other than these grouped toggles, there are separate toggles for every other connectivity feature: VPN, Bluetooth, cellular data, airplane, personal hotspot. Now these are very useful, and I'm also using the separate toggle over here. As you can see, I'm not using that because I have to go to extra step. For example, I have to go to VPN. I need to do this tap and hold, then go to VPN. But with this over here, I can simply go to by just tapping like this one. This is a much useful. So finally, separate toggles are also available, and they are coming with the 18.1. There are definitely more features. If I go to the settings over here, then to the control center, now there is a reset control center button over here, because there is a complete new control center and people are trying to mess with it. So if they end up messing it a lot, it is hard to go back to the default version. But with the 18.1, there is a new reset button that can quickly take to the default. That is really good. Also, there is a slightly change in the calculator UI. If I go over here, tap on the history comes from bottom in the 18.1, while in the 18.0 it was coming from somewhere else. Let me show you. So going into the calculator over here, history, it comes from this side. So if I do this, for example, this is the history. I cannot remove it, cannot copy it. I have to tap and hold it to do this. While over here, I can do simply this and copy it, delete it. So this is a much better way to use the history feature in the calculator, which is also really cool. If I go to the settings over here, then to the display and brightness, now there are demonstration of dark mode and light mode with the new iOS 18 wallpaper. Also, there are more slightly changes in the face ID and attention icon over here, and also changes in the color of eye tracking icon over here. So along with this, there are many different changes that are coming with the iOS 18.1. Definitely, if I go to the messages again over here, keyboard over here, now this section looks something like this. Emojis and stickers are all together. Also, the search emoji bar is quite curved. If I go over here on my other device and show you that, this is how it looks like. As you can see the difference over here, this is more curved search bar, but this is not so curved, and stickers are over here and the emojis are over here, and they are also smaller in size while they are bigger in size. So these are some of the changes that are coming with the 18.1. There are few more changes that I will talk about in upcoming videos, but for now, these are some things I really want to talk about. I'm really excited for the iOS 18.1 RC update. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.